friends, whenever I have a craving for something sweet, I have a go-to recipe. It takes only 2 minutes to make and I can whip it up from pantry staples. It's chocolate cake in a mug. All I need is flour, sugar, baking powder, butter, chocolate chips, vanilla essence, milk and cocoa powder. I will take a big mug and add 5 tablespoons of flour in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To this I am going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. To this I am going to add cocoa powder and half teaspoon baking powder. Using the fork, I am going to nicely mix up the drying ingredients. To this I am going to add 2 tablespoons butter and half teaspoon vanilla essence. I am going to add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk. I'll mix it up so there are no lumps left. A little more milk. It's nice and smooth. Now I'll add my choco chips. I'm going to microwave it for 1 minute. My cake is done. It took exactly 1 minute to make. If you think your cake is slightly runny, you can microwave it 10 or 20 seconds more. Yummy! and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications.